Sell in May and go away does not apply to the diamond market. That popular saying on Wall Street is typically used by those who believe the stock market has seasonality, in which gains are made in the first few months of the year and the performance of the stock market would then weaken from May onwards, so it's time to sell. Now, it's true, we do talk about seasonality in the diamond market. The first quarter is traditionally a stronger period as businesses restock inventory after the holiday season. The trade then slows down in the second quarter, with the quiet continuing through the summer holidays before jewelers start to prepare their inventory for the next holiday season, which stimulates activity again for the rest of the industry. But that first quarter boom didn't happen this year. Trading has been very quiet since the start of 2023. The Rapnet Diamond Index, known as the Rappi for 1 carat polished diamonds, fell 2.4% in April. The index was down 5% in the first 4 months of the year. Trading is slower than usual for May, and I think there are two main reasons for this. Firstly, the market is still adjusting to the disruptions during COVID. Remember, demand slumped in 2020 during the pandemic. The market then had a very strong recovery in 2021, and then it leveled off or normalized in 2022, and I believe we're still trying to find that normalized balance this year. Secondly, as I mentioned last week, it's the economy in both the US and China. The Conference Board's US Consumer Confidence Index fell to a 9-month low in April, reflecting concerns about a pending recession. Retail jewelers tend to reduce their inventory purchases in an uncertain economic atmosphere, as they don't want to be stuck with goods they can't move if the economy should falter further down the line. The midstream's polished inventory levels are still relatively high, and that's despite the reduction in manufacturing, and it's further testament to the drop in demand. As a result, rough trading has been weak during this week's De Beers site. Now, there is some optimism. Mother's Day is coming up on May 14th. The National Retail Federation expects record jewelry sales for the day. And there is some anticipation for next week's Gem Genève show and the Geneva auctions taking place next week as well. The highlight, of course, is the Heidi Horton collection up for sale at Christie's, valued at an estimated $150 million. It is said to be the largest and most valuable private jewelry collection ever to come to auction. The lead piece is that gorgeous Sunrise Ruby by Cartier, a 25.59 carat pigeon's blood Burmese ruby ring flanked by diamonds, which sold not long ago at Sotheby's in 2015 for $30.4 million. Let's see if Christie's can beat that. The highlight of next week's Sotheby's Geneva auction is the Bulgari Laguna Blue, a pear-shaped 11.16 carat fancy vivid blue diamond, which carries a pre-sale estimate of $25 million. Definitely a lot to look forward to in the coming weeks. Stay tuned as we follow all things diamonds on Rapaport.com. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. And don't forget to check out our sponsors, Rapaport Auctions, where you can get the best cash prices for your melee and single stone diamonds. Visit them on rapaportauctions.com. Have a great weekend, everyone. We'll see you next time.